Let's do the final project build. I've already assembled my components: the Arduino Uno, a breadboard, the micro servo. We have a buzzer, an LED, a resistor, and the potentiometer or the dimmer switch. Line up the components, the dimmer switch, the LED, and the buzzer, all on the same column. I'm using column F on the breadboard. Let's begin by getting a red jumper wire, and we're going to connect the power first. We're going to connect one pin on the red or positive rail to the 5V pin on the Uno. This is our power pin. Let's get another jumper wire and connect the negative or blue rail to a GND or a ground pin on the Arduino Uno. Now let's begin attaching the components. With a blue jumper wire, let's connect one of the outer pins of the potentiometer to the negative or the blue rail. And with another jumper wire, we'll connect another outer pin to the positive or red rail. The middle pin is the programmable pin. Let's use a yellow jumper wire on that one, and this one we're going to connect on the Arduino Uno to A0. With the LED, the positive or the long leg is the programmable pin, and this one is the positive, so we're going to take it from the same row as the positive leg over to digital pin number 2. This is where it will receive the programming from the microcontroller from digital pin 2 to the positive or programmable leg. Notice that the resistor is placed so that it lines up one side on the same row as the negative or short leg of the LED, and the second side of it matches up on the blue or negative rail. Now let's do a red jumper wire for the buzzer from the positive or the long leg of the buzzer over to digital pin 9 on the Arduino Uno. That's where it receives its programming. Let's get a negative or a jumper wire for the negative side of the buzzer. The negative or short leg will match up the jumper wire to the negative or blue rail. Now let's do the wires for the servo. First, I will get a yellow jumper wire for the signal or the programmable lead, and that one will go to digital pin 10 on the Arduino Uno. The middle is our power, and it's our positive, so we're going to grab a red jumper wire and take it to the positive or the red rail, and then we'll get a blue for our negative side of the circuit for the servo. It's brown on your servo, so the blue wire matches up with the brown and goes to the negative rail.